Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever watching this, welcome to a new vlog. Nice, lovely weather here for a short trek to Chembra Peak. Excited?
It is actually quite beautiful.
It is quite beautiful, just like you, Ma.
Thanks.
And we're all decked up in our gear thanks to the prototype, the beta tester. As usual, his 850 is a beta tester.
I learned the hard way.
Yeah.
You should learn from my mistakes.
You are our inspiration, bro. You inspired us to wear gear. And we had to call the Jeep 1 hour before, loaded our boxes because those are needed for that ride. We need to adjust it somehow to get our luggage, sit comfortably, because you saw the ride till the hotel yesterday, right? It was actually very bumpy in a Jeep, not so much on the bike. Unfortunately, we didn't get the bikes here because it's always full, or because there will be some vehicles here most of the time. And I checked in the morning, there's hardly any space for bikes. And whenever they have to move the Jeeps, we have to take the bikes out and all. Long process. We are visiting some place near Chembra Peak. It's just 1.5 hours, so let's see how it would be. Not expecting too much, just nice. There's a small lake at the top of the mountain. Hopefully we can see that. Hi Kishore, how are you?
Hi Guru.
Hi Guru, correct. Hi Guru, hi Guru. Hey, ఈరోజు మ్యాచ్ ఉందని అస్సలు తగ్గట్లేగా.
Madrid for life.
Match ఉందా?
Yeah.
Apple కిరణం బయట ఆడుతున్నాడు, లేకపోతే లోపల పెట్టాడు.
అరే కాంట్రాస్ట్ బ్లూ అండ్ గ్రీన్ వస్తుంది. ఈరోజు స్కై బాగుంది.
కలర్స్ క్రేజీ ఉన్నారా?
All set. 57 minutes, 28 kilometers, ETA 11:30. Easy, easy. To the right, boys. ఒక్క సెకండ్ ఆగండి రా, జస్ట్ టాప్ కేస్ ప్లే కొంచెం ఉందనిపిస్తుంది. ఐ వాజ్ రైట్, ఐ డెంట్ లాక్ ద టాప్ కేస్. పడిపోయేది if I didn't stop. I didn't lock the top case. Oh, I forgot locking the top case because I had to access the washroom. It was moving quite a lot. If I didn't set it in, it would have fallen off the bike. I can only imagine what would have happened if the top case fell off. Tap. నాకేం కాదు, డబ్బా ఉండదు కదా. Good lesson learned. Don't put it on the bike unless you lock it. So that's actually Chembra Peak. That's where we're heading. On the map, it is very clear. It says that we're not going to the complete peak because you have to trek to the peak. We're going somewhere lower. But I wish I can trek to that peak here. Looks amazing. Looks quite tall too. Off-road. Array, it looks pretty tall, Ray. ఆ చూడ రైట్ సైడ్ పీక్ ఎంత షార్ప్ ఉందో. అది ఈజీలీ ఒక మేబీ 6,000 ఫీట్ ఉండొచ్చు, 5,000 ఫీట్ ఉండొచ్చు. I think last year Kerala rains probably damaged a lot of the roads. Kerala floods. Usually I heard good things about Kerala roads, so I thought a lot of rains probably spoiled all these. Anyway, we came around 15-20 kilometers on this route. It was very patchy. We need to turn right now towards Suchipara, Churalmala, and that's called actually Chembra Peak Road. Agare ikkada right ra. Very bumpy road actually. Oh, sweet. There is some character to this peak. Nice guts. Array. Decently big gunta. Choosukoni randi. So we are returning back. Apparently there is a high court order and no bikes are allowed, or no tourists are allowed. We are moving to another location called Kantipara. Just 2.5 kilometers. We are not allowed. Damn biker coming. Mountains, coconut trees. That's what Kerala is about. Yeah, first stop dim. Hopefully second stop is decent. But today the skies are actually perfect. Steep downhill, watch out. Neat parking lot kuda undra. Crazy. Perfect weather for a drone. Come on, Chaitanya. Kishore, enjoyed the waterfalls?
Yes.
Nizanga?
Yes.
Do you recommend it to all the riders?
No. వాడు ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తామంటే చేశాను అన్న, రికమెండ్ చేస్తామంటే చేయను.
ఏం ఎంజాయ్ చేసావు మరి?
హాస్టల్ సిచ్యువేషన్ రా.
This was not the first location we wanted to go. This was recommended by the locals there, but kind of not too excited about it. And I don't know where we're heading next. It's already 12:30 and we need to reach the hotel premises by before 5. So maybe we'll try one more location. I haven't researched anything more because those two would have taken most of the time.
Let's just ride.
Seeing the traffic and all, we thought this would be a bigger waterfall, but unfortunately no. Unfortunately it was just a very basic waterfall. Maybe there are better waterfalls that we don't know about. The one that we wanted to cover today didn't happen. Chalo, we are unable to get any signal, so we'll head to a place where we can get a phone signal and then take it from there and then find probably a new location. At least one to cover karna hai aaj. This is my first time to Kerala. It feels a lot like Bali. All the coconut trees, narrow roads, hills, beaches. Are lovely skies today, man. Any peak would have been beautiful. This greenery, the blue color perf would have been amazing at a hilltop or something. Just heading to a restaurant called Turkish Coffee Cafe. Such a disappointing day so far. Probably we got our locations wrong. In the place that we are staying, Chemra Peak was the nearest location which had good reviews and looked amazing. And on our way also it looked perfect. But somehow just didn't work out, and no other place is coming close by which is as good as that, or it's too far that we can't safely return to our hotel before that stupid 5 o'clock check-in time. For that location we have to go safely by 5, but otherwise if that restriction was not there, maybe we could have tried other locations. Let's see, maybe we can find something during the lunch break. There is some road work happening here, so they stopped one way of the traffic. Nice to see freshly laid roads. Enjoyed the ride? The magnificent, beautiful, mind-blowing.
It was good. We are here at this place called Turkish Cafe.
In the top box.
Really good. Checked it. What is the rating?
4.3, 4.4.
A few moments later.
Thermosteel is working pretty well actually. Baga use avutundi kada meeku?
Yeah, thanks buddy. Next level.
I thought you had one different at home. Last time we were Zoji Shu, Japanese. మా వాడేమో ఓపెన్ చేసాడు. ఎలా ఉంది? కసావా ఇలానే ఉంటుంది టేస్ట్. కసావా ఇట్స్ ఎ రూట్ రైట్ చైతన్య? స్పైసీ కసావా చిప్స్. కిషోర్, ఎంజాయింగ్ ద రైడ్? కేరళ రైడ్కి ఎంత ఇస్తావు రేటింగ్? అదేంటి 4 ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది? Wayanad, except for the hotel and the initial 1 hour where it was something new. We thought we were expecting a lot more. That Wayanad, while the entrance, the whole ambience was interesting, we expected a lot more. But Wayanad so far now, today has been very disappointing. How's the coffee? Different?
Different.
Yeah.
Not thank you. Call it coffee.
How's your chicken taco? Tortilla. It's good. Smell different ఉంది కదా. Flavorful though. వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారా? ఇంత మీ అంత ప్రో కాదు కదా. 2x ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్.
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Just now, at least 15-20 premium bikes passed us, like Ducatis, BMWs, Triumphs, Kawasaki's. No Honda, no Harleys, no Honda, right? Seems like there are quite a few bikes in and around here. Just heading to our parking lot, and from there, jeep ride to the hotel. End of the day. Thanks for watching this boring video. Sorry, we didn't have much content. Thanks for enjoying this eventless day. And tomorrow we're heading to Bekal. Excited because we'll have beach, boathouse. These guys can maybe try good seafood finally. Let's see. Packed, super tight. Babu, 10 రూపాయలు ఇస్తా, నా బ్యాగ్ కూడా పెడతావు పైన. సార్ ఆల్మోస్ట్. అరే బంజికల్ కిషోర్ బాగా కడతాడు రా, ఆగు. కూర్చోట్లా అది, టైర్ మీద పెడతావా? ఉంటే అలానే వదిలేస్తావా? That's how Chaitanya's bag is packed. We have to see if it will last till we go to the top.
Quick update after we reach the top.
ఏదో సౌండ్ వస్తున్నాయి.
కొంచెం పైన తీరా.
మావాడి టెన్షన్ మావాడిది పైన బ్యాగ్ గురించి. హిస్ బ్యాగ్.
నా హెల్మెట్ తీసి చీపర్గా డ్రోన్ పైన పెట్టాల్సి ఉంటుంది, పడితే ఉంటుంది. Hey, you like my strap?
Finally, the box survived.
Thanks, buddy.
Chaitanya, you're certified for lorries and buses now.
చాలా కష్ట జాబ్ రా బాబు, అది చేయలేం మనం.
సైకిళ్ళు, బైక్లు పెడతారా? బాగా వాడుకుంటున్నావురా, బాగా హైట్ కోసం తీసుకొచ్చే అలానే.
ఆ క్యాండిల్ లైట్ రొమాన్స్ అయిపోయింది, అంత లైట్ ఉంది.
ఎలా ఉంది టేస్ట్?
Yet to eat, but I had this chicken. It's good.
Chicken's good.
I don't know if I should eat the chicken or not.
Okay.
But I'm eating the paneer. Paneer is good.
Paneer is good.
Pineapple pickle is amazing.
Pineapple pickle. After coming from the Turkish cafe, we just chilled at the hotel. Didn't do anything. These two guys actually slept. This guy slept for 2 hours, if I'm not wrong. He was very sleepy. He got up very early in the morning, 7 o'clock.
And no use. We ended up leaving at like 10:45.
Yeah, today day is a dull day. He slept at late night at 2. We had a good, interesting debate about natural and chemical stuff. Right way to put it.
Stuff kada cheppu food ane malli
Natural and chemical food.
Like supplements.
Vitamin supplements, not steroids and all, just vitamin supplements. It was a good, nice debate, fun debate. So it ended up being 2 o'clock in the night.
Who won the debate?
No one won the debate. Just casual, funny discussions that we had. We argued quite a lot. Like, we didn't catch each other's throats, but still fun debate. I have to say, my food has been actually, veg food is actually quite tasty today. Unfortunately, for non-vegetarians, I don't think it was that tasty.
Not as good as yesterday.
Yeah. So.
Okay, then I just
And the desserts are actually good too. There was a lemon souffle and a fruit custard. Pretty good. Anyway, that's it for our stay here in Wayanad. Maybe tomorrow we are heading to
Bekal.
Correct. Tomorrow we are heading to. Tomorrow we are heading. Tomorrow we are heading to Bekal. So we'll have the next episode then. So catch you guys
on the road.
Catch you guys tomorrow morning on the road.
Rare animal here
In
its natural habitat.
enjoyed your experience here?
Disturb cheyadani cheppina kada.
Rare animal, huh? All set here, guys. Done for the Wayanad. We're done with Wayanad, right? Now we're heading to Bekal. More excited for Bekal actually than when we were coming here.
No, I thought there'll be a lot of things to do in Wayanad.
Nothing.
No, it is there. Only thing is because of this COVID, a lot of stuff is
Yeah,
closed.
everything's closed. Wish actually we had something done here.
Phone gatti got phone.
Apple Care confidence ra idi నీకు అర్థం కావట్లే.
I've been dropping my new phone quite a lot, but thanks to the case and the screen guard, nothing has happened. Good morning, guys. Approximately 5 hours to the hotel. We'll reach there by 3 o'clock under normal circumstances, if Suju permits us. Nice, lovely morning to ride, boys. It's 10 o'clock, 1 hour late. So there was another route that way, but I'm taking this route. Google lo this is a faster route by only 4 minutes, but coastal route try చేద్దాంలే అని ఇటు వచ్చిన. చైతన్య, మనము ఆ ఘాట్స్ చూసినాం చూడు కోయికోడ వెళ్తుంటే, ఇదే దిస్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్. ఐ థింక్ తలసరి ఘాట్స్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్. ఫ్యూల్ స్టాప్ 30 minutes. అరే అక్కడ రోడ్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నారా పైనుంచి? క్రేజీ మ్యాన్. వెస్టర్న్ ఘాట్స్ బాయ్స్ in all their glory. Would be amazing in the morning sunrise pe. Wow. We're done with greenery. Time for beaches. Read padipedra papa podukuntunnadu alsipedamo. Lot of cyclists. Good workout, great workout for them. This is a decently high hill station. Just that the places we went were unfortunately not opened, and whatever we saw was average. There was actually a lot of traffic coming down the hill. Maybe Sunday, that's why there's a lot of traffic going up and coming down too. I guess it's a decently popular spot for people close to Kozhikode and nearby places. Didn't expect that much of an elevation. We only realized it once we were coming down the hill, how tall these mountains were. See, this is the traffic I was talking about. Lorries are kind of struggling to clear the hairpin bends. Arey, hairpins దగ్గర watch out. There is a lot of oncoming traffic. Take the outer curve. This has been the most boring ride I see road for the last 30-40 kilometers, man. But we get this. Finally. We're gonna stop for a short break in like 3-4 kilometers when we hit NH66, and from there it's just a straight route to Baikal, so I'll just probably stop there. Okay, on this route 37 kilometers. We are only 146 kilometers from the hotel, but it's gonna take 3.5 hours. Time to find a spot and take a short protein bar break. Oh boy, 50 or 55 kilometers took us almost 1.5 hours, man. The roads are pretty much like this. Single lane, lot of traffic. Not so much speed breakers, the road conditions was good, but lot of traffic. We couldn't start early anyway. Just stop for some nice coconut water. Much needed, yeah, much needed.
Very much needed.
Born the coconut water. Feel refreshed? Ready? One more 100 kilometers.
No problem.
Perfect.
Non-stop.
Someone's very slow up front, hence the reason it's 107 na bandi. Abbo vedi Ducati vedikochindi roy. Oh man, I don't see why there was so much of traffic jam there. Someone was very slow. It's hot, humid actually, not hot. 32, 33, feels like 35, 36. Summer feels are, and my bike's at 107. I don't know why. Never saw that go till 105 previously. nice. Some air to breathe, man. Finally 36 degrees. It doesn't feel like November. 36, 37. Oh. And another 2.5 hours. Just 100 kilometers to go. Super tired. Tired not because of the ride, just because of the weather. Quite irritated with this hot weather, man. 36 feels like 40 though. So these guys stopped at a small restaurant, had some quick lunch here. Quick matlab half an hour, 40 minutes. They had their dabbas. Another 2 hours and 89 kilometers, but it's gonna take 2 hours, man. That's a lot. I think nighttime and daytime are probably the best time to ride. We are somehow stuck at this time. Chalo, time to leave. At least we'll reach there by 4. Can have a quick The lunch was pretty good. The veg kurma and the parota was amazing. Loved it. Now the tummy is satisfied. The break was good for the head. Hopefully we can do the next 1 hour comfortably. I think the last 1 hour would be much more irritating. Let's see. As of now, it's just too hot, man. Almost reaching the hotel. Another 7 minutes. Not bad. From our original ETA of 3:30 to 3:50, that's decent with 40 minutes of a break. We have enough 2 nights here, so today evening maybe, and tomorrow we'll have time to explore. Coconut trees, backwaters. We are in Kerala. Yes, Taj Baikal Resort and Spa. Here we are. End of a not tiring but boring ride. Exhausting and boring. Oh, Garuda welcomes us. We'll finish the check-in process and catch you guys inside the room. Looking forward to a pleasant stay. So far it looks pretty relaxing. And just take a look at this chandelier section here and the work at the top. Might look beautiful in the night. This hotel actually gives me that vibes of the Bali hotels a lot because of the Garuda Vishnu in front of the hotel. Let me actually show it to you. And our boxes are here, left to be sanitized and sent to the hotel. Hey, there's a buggy, dude. You wanna planning something? Let's do.
Always planning something.
Tomorrow, beach buggy.
All of us are always planning.
Who is he? Vishnu? Vinayak? Let us know in the comment section. I'm poor with mythological characters, man.
My bet is Ganesha only, Lord Ganesha. But,
It looked Ganesha, but there is also Vishnu in there. Nice resort here, nice resort. Need to check the rooms and see how big the rooms are, but so far the impressions are pretty good. And this entrance is designed like a small houseboat. Lovely here. The attention to detail is amazing. We'll have so much time to explore the hotel actually, because we're gonna stay here for 2 nights. Just finishing the check-in formalities. We just checked in. Rest of the guys are just chilling out, and I decided to actually come for a workout. But then I realized there is a beach, so why don't we actually run at the beach? It's been so long since I ran, especially at a beach. So just wanted to finish that run. Hopefully I can get at least 30 minutes of workout today. Let's see. And this looks like an amazing place to get some workout done. And we have a private beach. We'll probably get amazing sunset time lapses. First we'll get the workout done, and then maybe we'll get a time lapse. Okay, this is beautiful. Yeah, they're missing out a lot already. Oh man, this looks amazing. Much harder to run in the sand, man. But fun. Oh man, loving it. That was one fun run, man. Seriously, fun run. Did it at a much slower pace than I usually run for 20 minutes. But it was in the sand and it ended with a beautiful sunset. After such a boring ride, this was completely worth it and this made my day. Hope you enjoyed this small sunset. This resort is, oh man, lovely, amazing. So you got these nice boat-style houseboat-style villas and a lake, and I think there is something happening there. Candlelight dinner by the lake. Oh, perfect, amazing. Good workout warrants a good meal.
I thought good workout warrants a reward,
Yeah,
tasty meal or something.
somewhat. But you have worked out enough, kada.
Manchi reward is fun.
Hey, he's still rewarding, dude.
You might be thinking Srijan is done with his meal. No, he's taking a break. He's taking a workout. Set 1 done.
I'm not taking a break.
They told me to wait.
I guess Chaitanya didn't like his fish that much. Decent. Sriman's okay with chicken. This guy is still going on. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.
Good night from wherever you are.
Hey, this is not the end of the video, dude. Tomorrow. We'll have tomorrow.
For today it is the end of the video, right?
Huh?
For today it's the end of the video, right?
Right.
That is what he's saying.
No, వాడు వీడియోకి ఎండింగ్ చెప్తున్నాడు.
No, no. For today.
మళ్ళీ రేపు ఉంటుందిగా.
Good morning అని చెప్తాడు.
That's a group.
Anyway, that's it for today's video guys. In case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night, take care and see you in the next one. Bye bye.